CoConstruct is a powerful tool that custom home builders need to know about. If you're a builder or involved in the construction process, you're probably looking for ways to streamline your operations, manage clients more effectively, and track your projects with greater efficiency. Stick around, because this video will break down everything you need to know about CoConstruct and how it can transform your custom home building process. First off, CoConstruct is a software designed to help custom home builders manage their projects from start to finish. It offers a comprehensive solution that covers project management, financial tracking, communication with clients, and much more. And the best part? You can start using it for free through our exclusive offer linked below, so stay tuned for those details. The first thing CoConstruct excels at is project management. Whether it's planning, scheduling, or tracking tasks, this software keeps everything in one place. It integrates with tools you're likely already using, like QuickBooks, so you don't have to worry about syncing data manually. The software allows you to easily create detailed project timelines, assign tasks, and keep track of deadlines, all while giving you a visual overview of your progress. Next thing, CoConstruct makes communication with clients seamless. With the platform, you can create a centralized hub for client interactions. You can share project updates, photos, and important documents with your clients, ensuring that everyone is on the same page at all times. This transparency helps reduce misunderstandings and keeps your clients happy and informed. The third thing that stands out about CoConstruct is its budgeting and financial tools. As a custom home builder, staying on top of finances can be a huge challenge. CoConstruct simplifies this by allowing you to create detailed budgets, track expenses, and manage change orders. You can set up budgets specific to each project and easily see how costs are evolving in real time, making it easier to stay within budget. The fourth thing is CoConstruct's mobile app, which ensures you have access to your projects wherever you go. Whether you're on-site or on the move, you can update schedules, communicate with clients, and make important changes right from your phone or tablet. This makes it much easier to manage your work remotely and stay in control, no matter where you are. And now for the bonus, CoConstruct offers a tool to manage selections and approvals. Custom home building often involves many decisions about finishes, materials, and designs. CoConstruct's selection management tools help streamline this process by allowing clients to review and approve selections directly through the software. This reduces delays and ensures the project stays on track. To wrap up, CoConstruct for custom home builders is a game changer. It offers a complete suite of tools to help you manage projects, communicate with clients, track budgets, and more, all from one platform. And remember, you can get started with CoConstruct completely free through the link below with an exclusive extended trial. So if you're serious about leveling up your home building business, be sure to check it out now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of this exclusive offer.